it's your camel here, and I'm just gonna record a video. This is the people I'm mostly gonna play with. Here's me in front of my white adder, just white. Then here's Zombie. He has no hair now. I don't know what happened to his hair. He's picking his nose with his car. What's your car again? Or you can just not answer me. Just do that. Now here's Milstead, whatever. He has a blade. He calls it sick. It looks sort of gay. He's spinning around in a circle, slowly clapping. He's a raccoon. Ooh, look at that close up my adder. So sexy. Yeah. As that sounds gay then. He's waving now. Sorry guys. This is the people I'm mostly gonna play with V8 or some other friends. Can you please like this video, guys? I've just started, so just great appreciation if you just like it or view it. You know, I just cut out Milstead. There we go. So guys, piss off, Steven. You see ya.